Hi Mike, this is a boat that just came in this morning, and as you can see, this is how he's made it so he could crappie fish. And he said this, the one that's on the bar, like you were thinking about, it becomes unstable when he gets one fish on there, and he really liked them where they were all separate, and he'd get out of the way and just use what he wanted to instead of having it really confusing. But this is mainly the interesting part right here, is that rod holder right there, and I'm not quite sure how you plan on carrying your rods. But this tilts right here, this raises up and down, and if you don't want to use it, you can take that off of there, and then that whole assembly. And then he's got a separate base right there where that folds down. So he's got one in the back and over on the side, and so he's pretty much got it decked out. Just an option.